Welcome to Organize with Anne. I'm Anne. Here's Mozart. Today, we are going to be looking at 4 common causes that keeps your house disorganized. Let's look at those, break them down, and find some great solutions for you. Issue number 1 is that you have too much stuff and not enough space to store it. So I am going to be absolutely real with you here. This is my Monica closet. This is an example of a spot in my home where I have too much stuff and not enough storage space. I am hiding in here extra clothes, kitty litter, there's napkins, there's extra shoes. There are a ton of pillows, decorative pillows in here that I need to go through. We also have some extra pull-out beds if we have company over. Take everything out of this closet, purge what I don't need, keep what I do need, rehome items in better spots, and then make sure that I have a system in here with either shelves, containers, or anything that is going to keep this spot organized and less like a Monica closet. The second reason that your house may feel unorganized is because your items do not have home. Here you can see me going through my bathroom, sorting through items that did not have homes. You can see that I'm putting all of my deodorants together. I had put all of my sunscreen together, and then I'm going through and I'm picking out random items and making sure that they go into a backstock pile where I know exactly where they are and I can find them easily. Even your food needs to have a home. My method is to put any extra food I have into containers, label it, and then put it in my fridge. Paper products are an item that can easily get out of control. Here you can see I found a home for them in a drawer in my basement. This allows them to be all contained. I easily know where they are and I can easily grab them when I need them. So the solution for when your items do not have homes is to assign specific homes for all of your items so you can find them in the same place every time. The third reason your house or space may feel disorganized is because you have limited space to put things. When you have the problem of limited space, it is difficult to store things. One place that can have limited space is your freezer. For me, my freezer is very small in my house, so I have to be very particular about what I purchase and how I contain it so that it is easily accessible for my family and for me to find when we need to go grab food. When you have limited space in your house, or for example, in your pantry, boxed items can take up a lot of space. I always take my tea bags out of their boxes so that there is enough room to store them in my pantry. If you have limited space to store coats and scarves in bags like I do, I have had to come up with a creative solution so that when my family enters the store, they can hang up their coats and bags and scarves all throughout the seasons. This helps keep my house organized and is a really great solution. If you are working with limited space, the solution is to find creative ways to store needed items and think outside the box. And the fourth reason that your space or home may seem disorganized is because your whole family is not participating in what you like to call having an organized life. To really help your family stay organized is to give them organization solutions that really work for them. For example, my son has a gaming station on our main floor. I didn't necessarily want games all over. So we came up with this really easy solution where the games go into cute little baskets. I stick them on top of each other. He is more than capable and more than willing to stick his games back in there and his game machine. It works out perfectly for him and it helps keep that space organized. Another way to get your family involved in organization is to give them ways to store their stuff. My daughter stores her backpack and dance clothes in these 2 bins on our main floor. This helps so that all of her things are not all over the floor, but rather they're contained, and it's an easy solution for us. Is it the most beautiful thing? No. But does it work? Yes. Instead of having my son throw his backpack on the ground when he gets home from school, I have given him a spot in my office where he knows to keep his backpack. This helps keep the house very organized, and it's a system that works for him. The solution, if your family is not on board with your organizing, is to help your family set up systems that will realistically work for them. It does not have to look perfect. You guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know if those solutions to those common home disorganization problems help you out. Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.